Hello and welcome to Morphymail.com. In this video, I will explain to you how to set up Amazon SMTP or Amazon Simple Email Service with your Morphymail Cloud email marketer and send up to 50,000 emails every day for just $1 for 10,000 for each 10,000 emails sent. First of all, go to the Morphymail.com website and from the solutions menu click on Amazon SMTP. Now you can scroll down and you can how to set up the Amazon SES step-by-step instructions. You can click on the link below that to sign up for the Amazon AWS. Now before you sign up, let me tell you that Amazon Simple Email Service or Amazon SMTP requires you to have a website which you own. If you do not have a website, then you cannot apply for Amazon Simple Email Service. If you do not have a website, I recommend you to go for Morphymail Unlimited SMTP server, which does not require a website, and you can send unlimited bulk emails to unlimited subscribers using Morphymail Unlimited SMTP server. So this is the sign up URL of Amazon AWS, and you can enter a username, and I'm going to enter the email address and a username, account name, and then verify the email address. Submit, and then you can check the email. Now you can verify your email address. Password. Now you can specify how you plan to use the AWS for business. You can specify either business or personal, doesn't matter. Now enter this information and continue to the next step. Now you have to enter a debit card or credit card, and Amazon will automatically debit your card according to the usage. For example, after 30 days, if your usage is around 20,000 emails, then Amazon will debit $2 from your card. It will debit the amount at the rate of $1 for each 10,000 emails sent at the end of the month of usage. So you don't have to pay any advance money. You can use the Amazon SES for 30 days, and at the end of 1 month Amazon will charge your credit card. Now after entering the credit card information, the screen which you are seeing right now arises, and you can choose your purpose of account registration is business operations, and now you can choose the support plan. In the fifth final step, it is you can choose basic support free and complete the sign up. Now it's the Amazon AWS account has been set up, and now you can go to the AWS management console. Now you can click on sign into the console. Now this is the Amazon AWS control panel. Now you can search for simple email service or SES and then click on Amazon simple email service. Now you can click on start using Amazon simple email service. Get started. Now this is the Amazon SES console. Now you can add your email address. Next, sending domain. You should own this domain because Amazon will request you to set some DNS records on this domain. So if you do not own the domain, you cannot do the setup. So you should own a website address by your own in order to sign up for the Amazon SES. And if you do not have a website and if you still want to go for Amazon SES, we can design a website and host it free on our servers. Please contact Morphymail support team regarding designing a website and hosting it on our server. So after which you can apply for the Amazon SES. So right now I am going to enter the sending domain. Now click on next. You can turn on the deliverability manager, which will help you to enhance your email delivery and engagement rates by providing insights to your delivery. You can view bounces, opens and click rates, as well as Amazon will give you some suggestions to improve the delivery rates and center reputation. So you can turn on this virtual deliverability manager. Turn on engagement tracking so that you can track your opens and clicks. And then click on next. Now click on get started. Now you need to verify the email address. Check your email address, affiliates@probusinessmarketing.com, and click on the link in the email address to verify this email ID. Now you have successfully verified an email address. You can start sending email from this address. So this is the email ID which I would like to use as the center email ID in Amazon SES. So this email ID has been verified successfully. Now I am going to refresh this page. Now the Amazon SES account is in sandbox mode. That means you can send only 200 emails per 24-hour period to your own non-email addresses. You cannot send emails to other people while it is in the sandbox mode. So you need to request for the production access in order to get access to the real SMTP server. Now you can do the tasks which are mentioned here. Send a test email. Now you can choose a scenario as an automatic response, and then choose the subject line. Send a test mail. Now you can see the completed task here. You have verified the email address, you have sent the test mail, and you have put the virtual deliverability manager on. Now the tasks which has to be completed yet is verify sending domain. So you need to get the DNS records. Now these are the CNAME records and text record. DMARC record is a text record, and DKM records is the CNAME records. So you need to set these records in the DNS of your domain. DNS records has to be set in the hosting control panel of your domain name. You may be having the hosting control panel as cPanel, or any other hosting control panel from where you have purchased the hosting for your domain name, for your website. That is where you need to enter these CNAME records and text records. I will show you how to add these records in the hosting control panel of your website. Now my domain probusinessmarketing.com is hosted on SiteGround, and I am now logged in into the hosting control panel of the probusinessmarketing.com, and from the left side click on DNS zone editor, domain. From the domain panel click on DNS zone editor. If your hosting control panel is cPanel, you can search for DNS zone editor in the cPanel, and then you can set the CNAME and text records. Now I'm going to set the CNAME record, so click on CNAME. Now copy the first CNAME record, name, now you need to delete the probusinessmarketing.com part because it is already there. So I'm going to delete the probusinessmarketing.com part, and then resolves to, I'll set up the value. Resolves to means value, and then create. So the CNAME record 1 is created. Now the next CNAME record, copy and then paste. Copy the value and paste, and then create. Now you need to set up the last CNAME record. Value, create. Now CNAME records has been set. Now we need to set the DMARC records. DMARC records can be set by putting a text record, copy, txt text record, and the value. Create. So the DMARC record has been created. Now after these records has been created, verification is showing pending, so it will take some time for the DNS propagation, only after which it will be shown verified. So let us wait until the DNS is propagated for the CNAME records and text records, so that the verification pending will be changing to verified status in this task. So let us wait until then. Now the domain has been verified. It has been moved to the from the open tasks to the completed tasks. Verify sending domain, verified. So the domain is verified after 2 hours. So now you have to request the production access to send bulk emails to your email list. So I'm going to click on request production access. Choose the type of mail which you plan to send using Amazon SES. I am choosing marketing. Website URL is type your website URL. I agree to the terms and conditions, and then submit the request. Now you have already submitted the website for the production access, and it may take 24 hours to review the details of your request. That means Amazon will review the request within 24 hours and will inform you whether they can approve your account for the production access. Once you get the production access, you can start sending 50,000 emails every day for just $1 for 10,000 emails. Before I stop this video, I would like to inform you that what is the criteria that Amazon will approve an account. They will check your website. And they should see a form which collects the email address of your visitors. If they doesn't see a form which collects the email address of your visitors, they will decline your account. And there should also be a privacy policy displayed in your website. This is the privacy policy. So you should display a privacy policy in your website and mention regarding how you are going to use the email addresses that you collect. Whether you are going to sell the email addresses to a third party or you are going to use it for yourself. Do not mention that you are going to sell these email addresses to a third party, and just mention in your privacy policy that these email addresses collected are meant for promoting your products displayed in your website to them, to get engagement from the clients and inform the clients and about your products and services displayed in the website. That should be your privacy policy. And there should be a form which collects the email address of your website visitors in order for the Amazon to approve the production access. Now perhaps Amazon will send you an email while requesting the production access. Amazon might send you an email requesting additional information. This is such an email. If you can provide additional information on how do you plan to use the Amazon SES, we will review the information to understand how you are sending, and we can recommend the best practices to improve the sending experience. In your response, include as much details as you can about email sending processes and procedures. For example, tell us how often you send the email, how do you maintain the recipient list, and how you manage bounces, complaints, unsubscribe requests, etc. So you need to provide a reply to this email so that the Amazon will approve your production access on your account. So most important thing which you should be careful about while sending a reply to this email is that you should never tell Amazon that you wanted to send cold emails or you wanted to send emails to purchased email lists or extracted email lists or any unsolicited emails. If you say that you wanted to send unsolicited emails, Amazon will not approve your account. Instead of that, you must tell Amazon that you wanted to send bulk emails, newsletters to the subscribers who sign up in your website. And then you can specify the URL to the form where you collect the email address in your website and say Amazon that this is the URL where I collect the email addresses from the website visitors, and I wanted to send bulk emails to them to convert these visitors to sales or to convert these visitors to purchases in our website. You must also mention that you are using an email marketing software which will automatically remove the bounced emails, or which you are using an email marketing software which automatically processes the bounces, and you will put an unsubscribe link in the bottom of email, and people who click on the unsubscribe link will be automatically removed from your list. You must say to Amazon like that. You must also say to Amazon that there is a feedback loop system in your email marketing software. Feedback loop. Feedback loop system in your email marketing software, which will collect the complaints of the recipients and will automatically remove those recipients from your email list. You can say that you plan to send around 10,000 emails every week, or twice a week, or twice a month to your subscribers. You can tell to Amazon that you are sending the content of your email campaigns is about the offers or information related to your business for which the users have shown interest for. You can say that you are sending offers regarding your products to the people who have already shown interest on those products. Once Amazon approves your account, and now this is my Amazon account where production access has been granted by the Amazon. You can see when you take the account dashboard here, the daily sending quota is 50,000 emails for 24-hour period. And account health. Account health means whether your account is having good spam complaint rate and bounce rate, etc. So if you're sending too much of emails to recipients which marks them as spam, then the health will diminish. And if too much of bounces comes, your health will diminish. And Amazon may suspend your account if it is below a particular threshold. So make sure that the people to whom you send the bulk emails are people who already know your brand name or know your company. Do not send unsolicited emails using Amazon SES, because if you do so, Amazon will suspend your account. For sending cold emails to your unknown recipients, use Morphymail cold email suite. Here I will show you. If you want to send bulk emails to people who doesn't know you, which is known as cold email marketing, use the Morphymail cold email marketing suite. Here you will see Morphymail cold email marketing suite, along with which we provide a bunch of softwares and databases and services like unlimited SMTP server, inbox warm-up service, Morphymail Cloud Email Marketer, Morphymail WhatsApp CRM, lead generation software, cloud-based email verifier to verify unlimited email addresses, then 44 million professional decision makers database, USA business database, domain owners database, etc. Users can send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers using the Morphymail cold email marketing suite, and do not use Amazon for sending emails to unknown recipients, or else they will suspend your account. Amazon should be only be used for sending emails to your own subscribers who sign up forms in your website, or change your account from sandbox mode to the production access. The next thing you have to do is to create an identity. For this, from under configuration menu, you can create identities, and you can put create an identity. Here you have already created two identities, probusinessmarketing.com, which is a domain, and affiliates at probusinessmarketing.com, which is an email address. And both these identities are verified. And if you want to create more identities, like more domains and more email addresses, you can click on create identity, domain, enter your domain name, and then you can create the identity. And like you have added the CNAME records and text records of the probusinessmarketing.com, you can add the CNAME records and text records for the newly created identity, which is the email address or domain. Like this, you can add any number of identities to your Amazon SES account, any number of domains and any number of email addresses. Only after you have verified your identity, you can send emails to only those email addresses which is already verified. Which means if you want to send emails from affiliates at probusinessmarketing.com, first of all you must create this identity and verify it. If you want to use another domain name, you must create that domain name and verify it by clicking on create identity. And after you have created the two identities, click on SMTP settings and then create SMTP credentials. Now let me show you how to set up the Morphymail Cloud Email Marketer using the SMTP settings generated in the Amazon SES account. From here, choose Amazon Web Service SMTP. You can choose endpoint, means hostname. Before that, you must choose the AWS region. Region is Sydney, Southeast Sydney. So I'll choose Sydney. Hostname. Now we will look at how to get the AWS access key ID. Take security credentials from the profile, security credentials, and under the security credentials page you can see access keys. Create access key. Understand? Create access key. Now here is your access key and here is the secret access key. Now copy the access key to the AWS access key ID and then copy the secret access key to the AWS secret key. Now let us look at how to create the SMTP username and SMTP password. For that, take the Amazon Simple Email Service dashboard by searching Amazon Simple Email Service here. Amazon Simple Email Service dashboard. And from the left side, click on SMTP settings. Create SMTP credentials. Now create user. Now here is your SMTP username. Copy it and paste it here, and then you can take the password, and the password has been pasted into the SMTP password section. Now you can return to the SES console. Now you can choose port 25587 or 2587. So you choose 587 and select encryption as TLS and then save. Now it is successfully saved, and you have to test the connection. Test connection. Sending server is valid. So the connection has been, SMTP settings has been completed successfully. Now make sure that here the from address should be the same sender email ID which you have verified in your Amazon SES account. Do not use any other sender email ID here. Use only the identity which you have verified in the Amazon SES account, and then specify the speed limit of the email sending as 1000 emails per hour. Now you have to add a sending identity. Sending identity, you have to add the domain name and the email addresses which you have verified in your Amazon SES console, and then allow verifying users' own domain against AWS, allow verifying users' own email addresses against AWS, and click on save. So now you have configured the Amazon Web Service SMTP on your Morphymail cloud account, and now you can send emails. Now you can start sending emails using the Morphymail cloud email marketer. Now I will show you how to set up SMTP using Amazon API. New server. From the sending servers, take new server, and then Amazon Web Service API. Amazon Web Service API, choose, and then you can put the AWS access key ID and AWS secret key here, and choose the region and then save. So this is how you will set up the Amazon SMTP for Morphymail Cloud Email Marketer. The specialty of the Amazon SES is that although it can only be used for sending emails to your own subscribers, you will get 100% inbox delivery without any warm-up. There is no need of warm-up. From the first day itself, you can start using the Amazon SES for sending bulk emails with 100% inbox delivery. Now, in order to know how to use the Morphymail Cloud Email Marketer, go to morphymail.com and click on videos. When you click on videos, you will see the video tutorials which shows how to use a Morphymail Cloud Email Marketer. Morphymail is a 100% free email marketing software which is a hosted solution which can be used to send unlimited bulk emails to unlimited subscribers for lifetime 100% free. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.